What's up, guys? This is Mark with WTI. So many times, and maybe this happens to you, when I'm at work, at home, or working on my car, it gets dark out or the lights go out and I find myself in need of a flashlight. So I need to show off my Coquimbo rechargeable LED work light. This light is made of hard rubber, it's anti-sweat, anti-slip. It has an aluminum head which dissipates the heat and prolongs the life of the lamp. And I use it for work all the time, especially when searching through my work van. And I really appreciate the magnetic base, which allows me to pretty much place it on any type of metal. I've also used it at home during emergencies when the lights go out and I gotta check the fuse box. And if for any reason there isn't an option to use the magnetic base, it comes with a hook that allows me to hang the light. So I call it my light of all trades. It comes with a couple of light modes, high brightness, medium brightness. It also comes with a front light, and this is cool, a red warning light. So this is pretty much my lightsaber, or should I say, light saver. It gets me out of emergencies, it's tough, it gets the job done, and I'll be using it for a very long time. Or in other words, forever. But that's just my point of view.